Alright guys, today I'm gonna see if I can make a YouTube play button with this plywood. So this is just the first attempt and I'll see how it turns out. I have to really cut the wood. You can always put a sticker here in the middle, the white color sticker, or you can cut it out if you want to be fancy. I'm taking a huge risk by cutting it because you can never get it as, you know, triangle. So we'll see how it goes. If not, I have another piece of wood so I can try again. This is all about experiment. Alright, moment of truth. This is how it turns out, guys. I'm very satisfied with the result. It looks amazing. If I show it to someone, they would not believe it that I made it out of that little plywood. I know you guys can do it. I provided every single step. If you like this video, smash the like button and subscribe for more videos. I will be giving away this to my first 100 subscribers. And don't worry, I will remodify it to your channel name. So you'll have your channel name on this template. But subscribe so when I pick your name, I will contact you. All right, thank you.